She'll choose to ship sheep cheaply to fresh pastures. Welcome to Quick Twists on Fluent American, where we look at one or two sounds and study them with a quick practice sentence. My name is Geoff, and today we're looking at the ch and sh sounds, like choose versus shoes. To make the ch sound, you want the sides of your tongue to be horizontal, to go this way, ch, ch. The tip of your tongue will touch around where your top teeth meet your gum. Again, ch, ch, choose, choose. To make the sh sound, like in shoes, shoes, again, the sides of your tongue should feel your top teeth. The very tip of your tongue will dip. It will go down slightly, and you should feel air go down the middle of your tongue. Again, it should sound like shoes, shoes. Ship, chip, ship, chip. Mash, match, mash, match. Share, chair, share, chair.
1, 2, 3.
She'll choose to ship sheep cheaply to fresh pastures. Pastures, fresh pastures. She'll choose. Ship sheep. Ship sheep cheaply. She'll choose to ship sheep cheaply to fresh pastures. That concludes our video today on the sh and sh sounds. For more information on these and other sounds, be sure to visit our website at fluentamerican.com. Also check out our social media pages and subscribe to our YouTube channel to get updates on when the latest videos come out. I also encourage you to join our Facebook group, where we are constantly posting new activities and exercises for you to help improve your pronunciation. You can search for Fluent American English Pronunciation on Facebook groups. My name is Geoff. Thank you for your time. We'll see you in our next video. Take care.